Tangent and normals, LAQ third problem. See, the given curve is a x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 equal to a power 2 by 3. Show that the length of the tangent, a tangent cuts the coordinate axis at A and B. Then show that length AB is constant. So first we calculate equation of the tangent. After that one we calculate A point and B point. A point lies on x-axis. So put y equal to 0. We get x value. Put x equal to 0. We get y value in the tangent equation. So this is capital A and capital B. After that one, apply 2 points form. x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. That is the procedure. So this is the given curve equation. X equal to a cos q theta, y equal to a sin q theta are called parametric equations. Are called parametric equations of the given curve. So first calculate P is also this one. P x1 y1 is nothing but a cos q theta, a sin q theta. So curve and also point same. First calculate dx by dt, next dy by dt. So dx by dt equal to a into 3 cos square theta, derivative of cos theta equal to minus sin theta. Next dx by d theta, dy by d theta equal to a 3 sin square theta, derivative of sin theta equal to cos theta. From these two calculate m. M equal to dy by dx, dy by d theta by dx by d theta. Dy by d theta value 3a sin square theta cos theta, dx by d theta minus 3a cos square theta into sin theta. 3 cancel, a cancel, sin theta square cancel, cos theta square cancel. So m equal to minus sin theta by cos theta. Using this point, using P point x1, using this point P x1 y1 and m minus sin theta cos theta, calculate equation of the tangent. What is equation of a tangent? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus y1 a sin q theta, m value minus sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta, x minus x1 value a cos q theta, a cos q theta. Take a cross multiplication, cos theta into y minus a sin q theta cos theta, multiply with this one, minus sin theta into x plus a sin theta cos q theta. Bring this one into LHS, this one into RHS. So sin theta into x cos theta, sin theta minus value becomes to plus, sin theta into x cos theta into y. Next, equal to a sin theta cos q theta plus a sin q theta cos theta. In RHS, take a sin theta cos theta common, a sin theta cos theta common. So sin theta into x plus cos theta into y equal to a sin theta cos theta. Then remaining values, sin square theta plus cos square theta. In this one cos square theta, in this one sin square theta. So cos square theta plus sin square theta, cos square theta plus sin square theta. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Equal to 1. So sin theta into x plus cos theta into y equal to a sin theta into cos theta. So tangent equation is over. Next we calculate capital A, capital B. A lies on x-axis. A lies on x-axis. This is the diagram. A lies on x-axis, B lies on y-axis. So put x, y value 0. Put y value 0. Y value 0. Next, sin theta into x. This is 0. Equal to a sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta cancel. So x value a into cos theta. So y value 0, x value a cos theta. So capital A point is a cos theta comma 0. Next, put x value 0 on y axis, x value 0. So first x value 0 plus cos theta into y equal to a sin theta into cos theta. Cos theta cancel. So y value a sin theta. Therefore capital B point, x value 0, B value a sin theta. So he wants a distance between AB. Show that distance between AB. So apply x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. So AB equal to under root 0 minus a cos theta whole square, a sin theta minus 0 whole square. So a square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta. Take a square common, sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Root a square into 1. Root a square value is a. So AB value is a constant. AB value is constant. A square value is a. Under root a square value is a. Next, LAQ 1. LAQ 1. Given curves are x square plus y square equal to 2, 3x square plus y square equal to 4x. Show that the common tangent at the point 1, 1. So we show that they are touch each other at the point P. Show that they have a common tangent. That means they touch each other at the point 1, 1. So first calculate slope of the first curve at P, slope of the second curve at P. So M1 equal to M2, then we say that they are touch each other at that point. So differentiate with respect to 1. Differentiate with respect to x. 2x plus 2y into dy by dx. Derivative of any constant equal to 0. Derivative of any constant equal to 0. So 2 cancel. Y into dy by dx equal to minus x. So dy by dx minus x by y. So M1 dy by dx at P point 1, 1, x value 1, y value 1. So M value is a minus 1. Similarly, this one. Differentiate with respect to x. 6x plus 2y into dy by dx equal to derivative of 4x equal to 4. Derivative of 4x equal to 4. Next, 2y into dy by dx. 4 minus plus 6x becomes to minus 6x. dy by dx equal to 4 minus 6x into 2y becomes to by 2y. Next, M2 equal to dy by dx at P point 1 comma 1. So put x value 1, y value 1. 6 into 1 by 2 into 1. Numerator value 4 minus 6. 4 minus 6 equal minus 2 by 2. 2 cancel. So m2 value is also equal to minus 1. So m value minus 1, m2 value minus 1. So m1 equal to m2 equal to minus 1. Then we say that the two curves are touch each other at the point. So they have the common tangent at that point.